Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, guys. So, how are you? How's your morning, guys? Any trades? Something you want to share with me? Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. It's okay, so it's still early on the day. Good morning, good morning. Trying to trade NQ right now? Okay. It's not really FOMC day, it's FOMC minutes. So this means it's still going to be volatility, but it's not going to be like normal FOMC, you know? I didn't really speak any other languages when I was at high school. Not really high school, at school, from elementary to high school. I was learning Chinese, but I don't remember anything. I mean, like, I know some words, but I cannot use them. I don't know how to speak Chinese at all. I mean, I knew this like 10 years ago. But but you got it. So yeah, need to practice. Without practice, it's impossible to remember any language, even English, you know. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's check what we have. So I'm still looking at hourly fair value gap on ES because yesterday happened absolutely nothing, like at all. We just consolidated all day. Like nothing happened yesterday. We finally broke above consolidation high when it was where it was. I mean, you got it. So, and that's it. So yesterday was ugly in terms of price action on ES and Q, but I'm still watching exactly same plan as I had before yesterday. I'm watching for hourly fair value gap on ES, and I will look for 5 minutes market money reversal to probably short to Asia low because we have equal lows over here. At this point, I would like to see previous day high taken, preferably to stay below Monday high on ANQ, short as well. I'm not going to lie, just doesn't make any sense not to short this, you know? Yeah, I almost finished new lesson, part 2 of this gold and CL model. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. I guess I covered every question that people ask me about what PDRs I use, how I use SMT, what's the price per point, what else? How to spot order block. It's all going to be in this lesson. And I'm going to talk about gold and CL only. I mean, of course, you can backtest this on any other asset. Like, why not? But I'm not going to cover this. Do you have a map? What do you mean by this? Which map? Let's see if gold can take equal highs. Watching for this level today. How it goes? We'll see. What is map? What kind of map you asking? I'm sorry, guys. Let me drink some water. Some jokes, okay, okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Is Trump speaking? I mean, he's speaking every day. So this week, I believe I will record it tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. I hope so. So I almost finished the lesson. Just need to record this. It will take like 40-50 minutes. And yeah, hope tomorrow. I'm wrong with my previous day high. Give me 1 sec. Totally possible, you know. Totally possible. Let me go on daily. Nope. Why are you saying I'm wrong with previous day high level? No, should be okay. Normally I use daily candles for previous day high, previous day low level. So this is what I'm looking at. Means that's right. 972. Yeah, should be okay. You can check yours. Maybe I don't know, like how you highlight previous day high, previous day low level. People do this differently. Good morning, good morning. So on gold, I'm watching for equal highs taken. Then I will try to react. One question, of course, ask, go for it. So once again, on NQ on ES plan, my plan remains the same as I mentioned yesterday. I will look for hourly bearish fair value gap on ES, and I will try to look for potential reaction. What concept do you trade? ICT Concept. Yes, we're going to have giveaway today. It's going to be TradeZella. 3 premium plans for 1 year. Yeah, unfortunately, inside time distortion. That's absolutely ugly, especially for our chart, you know. Yesterday was hard. I decided just stay away from this price action. No chasing, so just flat yesterday. Not flat, I'm at $7 because I got break even. $7. Okay, not really break, flat. $7. I am rich. So on CL, overall, I'm looking, not this model, I'm looking for this one. Yeah. No, not from here. Give me 1 second because I posted this in my... So it was my plan for CL before. That's it. That's what I was looking at on CL this morning. I mean, like, we still need to go lower to reach this final TP. So my final TP remains over here for 2R. So what's the reason of this trade? I'm going to show you, not in hindsight, but in real time. So we respected hourly order block, right? So price respected this order block. We got potential hourly sweep. So I was using 5-minute OB. Intraday open of next candle, stop loss, swing high. And I'm going to aim for 2R. I mean, it's already break even, just saying. Let's see if we get 2R. It's just one contract, so impossible to take any partial, so simply break even. My birthday was yesterday. I mean, you can trade any instrument you like. It's up to you. What works for me is CL and gold. Strategy pretty much straightforward. Hard to miss this, you know. So it's still valid trade. I still would like to see we're going for 2R. A stop loss at break even right now. Let's see how it goes. Totally possible, you know, like everything can happen. Who actually knows? Yeah, I actually have part 1, how I trade CL and gold, and tomorrow I will record part 2 because I received some questions, so I decided to cover this in part 2, like all questions. How much 1 point cost 1 point on CL and gold? How to spot order block? What PDR I use? How I should do top-down analysis, how I use SMT, what kind of SMT I use. So basically part 2 will cover everything. So if after watching part 2 you didn't get this, so I don't know, like don't trade this then. Because I believe I explained this like so well. I mean, I don't know what I should cover more than I explained actually. But yes, I actually covered this once. If you go on my YouTube, you will find this. My last video was about indicator, but previous one. And new one is going to be just part 2. Yes, exactly. Then I did something wrong. Exactly. Unsubscribe, unfollow, block me everywhere. If you're not going to be, guys, I swear, if you're not going to be profitable with this, so that's it. Market is a scam. I am a scam. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, hefty trades indicator. I don't really use this. He trades a bit differently. So some people say it's the same, but it's not the same because I trade potential sweep, which is actually turtle soup. He trades continuations. That's completely 2 different ideas. Oh, not trade yet. Just joined, so I just call this like potential sweep because it's potential sweep. No stupid names, you know, like, I know, like, which hard to understand. Just I call this like potential sweep because it's easy to understand what it is. Which session? Mostly pre-market. Sometimes Asia when I'm trying to put my kids to bed because it takes so much time. Yeah. IM session recently, not really. I'm not going to lie, IM session for me, like, not the best last 2-3 months. Or like barley moves. Should we make a course? No. It's going to take so much time and so much energy. I'm not going to do this. What's the point, you know? What's the point? What's the point? No point. So yes, slowly going to our fair value gap. So this fair value gap is going to my point of interest. So from here, I will start looking. If it's going to present 5-minute smart money reversal, it's going to be a point of reversal. So area of reversal. But let's see how it goes. What pair do I trade? I trade NQ almost never. CL gold, sometimes silver. That's pretty much it. Sitting in this trade so far. Yeah. Garbage. Yeah, my favorite word. That's garbage. Funny to say, but evaluation sitting flat. Didn't take a single trade there, just on funded accounts, because IM session did not offer anything. I don't want to trade pre-market on evaluation, I trade on funded. So sitting flat. it is what it is. So that's break-even trade for me. Once again, it's not in hindsight. I posted this before. I mean, that was what I was analyzing in real time. And this is what is going on so far. So before, after. But once again, it's break-even. One love, yeah. Part 2. I hope... Oh, woohoo! Well, perfect. I know it's not lots of points. It's just one mini contract. It's only for $160, but not a big deal. Model workout again. Boom, 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 boom. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Beautiful trade. By the way, in the chat, before people start discussing gold, I ask, why don't look on CL? CL was the only way to trade. If you scroll up, you will see like open. I literally said open CL. What time it was? Around like 8:50, 8:45. Open CL and look at the chart. Trade. So overall, my idea on CL this morning was I was looking for short. I was kind of short-term bearish, but overall I am bullish on high time frame. Yeah. So basically, models that I'm going to record tomorrow, second part of this model is going to be for CL and gold. Once again, I love CL because CL always offers small risk. So I trade one mini, risk only $200. $200 with one mini. Can you show? It's available on my YouTube. Of course, I'm going to post the link right now, but it's once again, it's available on my YouTube. Before Steam started, I literally wrote in the chat, here in the chat on YouTube chat, to check CL. I was trying to navigate you guys for setup, but I saw some people took exactly the same trade. Someone was 1.5R. Yeah, I guess this guy in the chat still. You know, yeah, you watch my pre-market plan. You know, so far it's consolidation. I wouldn't say like something works inside consolidation. I wasn't worried about hourly fair value gap, not really. I mean, I can trade evaluation, but the idea was to look for setup during Steam. So of course I could pass this evaluation long time ago, but idea was to look for setup during Steam and take this during Steam. Yeah, it's 2 hours, that's it. I mean, it can go whatever it wants, but 2 hours and we're done with this. That's why I trade my other accounts, because I promised to trade this during Steam, but so far, like, IM session offered 0 solid setups, unfortunately. How many accounts? Over 30 accounts. I could pass my funded futures, I guess, with 2 trades this week, but it's not what I'm going to do. Once again, I didn't make lots of money with this. It's only $460, even a bit less with commission, but yes, I do use Copier for them. Yes, can you send me, if you have issue with my funded futures and you cannot trade gold, because I can actually, I have my funded futures, please send me a message, because I cover this question every day, or you can watch this video, just, I will save your time. Open this link and go by the end of this video. I shared how you can get access. So basically you need to go, I can actually type right here, my funded futures. Scroll down. I believe it says something like this. Don't remember. Give me 1 second. Need to check because I don't remember. Billion. What's next? Scroll down, and my funded futures doesn't want to. Oh, okay, I got it. No. Yeah, click there. Then trade await. Then upgrade. That's your steps. I'm going to leave this over here. This is how you can get the data. One question. Yeah, go for it. So here's steps to get data. Just pick the right market data because I believe you have CME only, right? I believe so. That's your steps. Yeah, we do have giveaway today. It's going to be a TradeZella, 3 premium plans for 1 year. So if you have problem with, once again, my funded futures is running 50% off right now. If you want to get the data, here's your steps to get the data. Yeah, not only backtesting, it's like this software for analyzing your trades, journaling, track your performance, forward test, back test, everything in premium plan. You got a question? Yeah. If it's some sort of big question, you can ask me on Twitter, so it's easy to answer. I prefer to copy my trades if a trade is on funded accounts. No, it's going to be 12 months, not 1 month, 12 months. So once again, if you have issue with my funded futures trading gold, here's your steps, guys. Okay? Because I guess that's classic question. So if you have a model that worked on when you backtested this, but you blew account with this, it doesn't mean it stopped working. Just adjust your risk per trade. And once again, if you trust this model and you know it works, continue trading this. Tomorrow is Thursday and it's going to be TradingView giveaway. So once again, if you just joined, if you have any issue with getting data from my funded futures for trading gold CL, please consider these steps. It should help you. We're going to do TradeZella giveaway today. So talking, okay, you got this idea with CL. Total idea with ACL and not CL, ES and NQ is let's see how we can respect hourly British fair value gap. It was planned yesterday, so it remains the same. At this point, I will look for previous day high taken on NQ, and if it may create 5-minute smart money reversal, which I mean like market structure shift and change in the state of delivery, inversion with change in the state of delivery, we try to short. You can backtest, for example, on TradeZella. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want there. You're becoming the mother of trading. So we have father, so I'm going to be mother. No, I guess. I'm not that smart just yet. We're not old enough, you know? My hair's everywhere. I love it. My hair is everywhere. It's everywhere. So we just traded into this hourly fair value gap. Let me, by the way, extend this to the right so easy to understand what it is. You missed. So I took this trade on CL. Also, I mentioned if you have problem with my funded futures data for CL and gold, here is the steps. For ES, I said if we are going to trade into hourly bearish fair value gap, and you can take previous day high level, create 5-minute smart money reversal. I will try to short this. On gold, I'm waiting for equal high staking, so we need to pump another 5 points higher. That's it. So, quick analysis for each instrument. So let's see if we pump slightly higher than try to short. No, it was funded accounts. Not funded, personal account. Not funded accounts. Personal. Spend day with me. I mean, you spending with me for almost 3 hours, like every day. It's not enough. So let's see once again on gold if we run to equal highs. Let me turn on my demonstration tool. It's off. It's off and it's off. Stupid, new feature. I don't understand this. What's the point of that? Open, high, low, close for each candle, especially lower time frame, doesn't make any sense. Easier for me to navigate each candle and watch over here what we have. That's extremely stupid feature, in my humble opinion. So let's see if we pump slightly higher first. Maybe, maybe something like this. For me, just hard to long overall. Yes, oil bearish. That was my plan this morning, so shorted, and that's it. Once again, if you just scroll up in the chat on YouTube chat, I literally said check CL. Open your chart and let me know what you see. So I was trying to tell you, like, we have set up for short there. Also, I ask why no one watching CL. I will probably look for short on NQ because I used to trade in Q. Sometimes it's hard to trust ES for some stupid and magical reason. It wasn't like my trade, it was just analyzing. I was just analyzing this, I didn't take this. So I didn't take this trade, just saying. Today is FOMC minutes. It's not really like a real FOMC, Okay, let me read messages in the chat. You looking for short on? Yeah, honestly, me too. But I would say I would like to see previous day high taken first. It's not like not big deal. It's still volatility. It's still still red folder news. But Not real FOMC. So SCL, I mean, okay, CTM indicator one gives me 2 sweeps. Which one is valid? Which one is valid? In direction of higher time frame trend. If it's bearish and it offers like sweep on bullish side and bearish side, you're going to trade bearish side. Yeah, CL was amazing. Only trade that I saw this morning. Solo trade that worth to try. You mean previous day high? No. I mean, yes, and no. Look at gold. On gold, I'm keeping my eyes on equal highs. So it may retrace, but ideally I would like to see some sort of retracement continuation potential short. Good morning, good morning. So market is about to open. I would like to see 33.11, so it will be better for me. We got equal highs there. So let's see if we pump there. This base set perfect, but feels like not enough. Let's see if we pump slightly higher. Over here, then reaction down. Overall, yes, overall bearish on gold. Like overall. Maybe I'm wrong, but I kind of would like to see still lower. Would like to see drop. I believe from this equal highs it should offer a reaction. Maybe it will offer some sort of short for retracement down back to this range. I mean, I don't need lots of points. I'm always happy with 10 points on gold. I don't need more. Like, I remember ICT said like 20 or 25 points on NQ is enough. For me, 10 points is like perfect. I don't need more. I mean, less is okay, but I don't need more than 10 points. So, let's see how it goes. So maybe it will retrace first, but honestly, I would like to see reaction from equal highs. It created this for a reason, so we are pumping. Yeah, perfect. We took previous day high levels. That's nice. Still okay, you know, still okay. So let's check where we have potential M2 model. A potential M2 model can be for short, but 2-minute order block is going to be crazy big so far. Let's see if my retrace pump slightly higher than 2R for short. I think it's time for short on gold. I mean, so close to equal highs. Just pump another 6 points and yes, we can drop. Always hated. Raise my SPX. Yeah, you're right, huge gap. Let's highlight gap on SPX. We got open, close, and open. Going to set alert right now on 25%. It's going to be key level for today. Slightly higher. Keep pumping. Just 1 second, that's fine. It was like our plan. For M2 model, we need to trade above 9 AM open. And yes, actually, we did trade above 9 AM open. The issue is potential order block is going to be huge. I was looking for previous day high. I really want to see we staying below Monday high. If it's going to take Monday high, it's still going to be okay, but kind of too much. But once again, we're so close, maybe we will take it. I will be fine with this. So see this gray box. So that's basically range between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation of manipulation leg. So I highlighted this as target area in case it wants to break above Monday high and simply pump with no reason. So we will go to this area then, because when we're sitting above all-time high, we have 0 levels. So let's trust projections. At this point, it's going to be target area. But let's see. I really would like to see trading back. I'm not going to lie, I really would like to see lower on NQ and ES. It doesn't mean like I'm over bearish, but please, just do this. It's not that hard, trust me. Yeah, on gold, let's talk about this for now. So I was doing top-down analysis with gold on Sunday, I believe. So basically it created a weekly order block after we got lots of SMTs, right? So I was looking like, okay, if it's going to be order block, we got the closure price retested, what can happen? Like we have 2 options on gold. We're taking out previous week high, right? Previous week high. Then we drop into this sell side. Or we're going to stay within, 50% of this previous candle week. Then we go to the sell side. But since we have changed in the state of delivery on weekly, it kind of makes sense to try at least to offer an attempt to take sell side, you know? And sell side is going to be over here. And 2 options once again. We're taking out previous week high, or we're staying below 50% of this week. I'm shorting to sell side. That's why. Only because we got weekly order block. That's it. I hope it makes sense. That's my bias for gold. 296. 296. Yeah, by the way, okay. Agree with me? So just looking on weekly chart kind of makes sense, you know? It doesn't mean like we cannot long on lower time frame. Of course we can. We like scalpers on gold. We're aiming for to earn to go. But overall idea, kind of high time frame bearish remains, high time frame bias remains bearish, in my opinion. Okay, we took Monday high. We just got straight move up right at market open. Yes, I tested this SMT yesterday, and it's actually nice. Yeah, it's valid SMT. You dream me? Oh, nice. First person, I guess, who telling me this, or second person, but that's funny. So trying to pump, we took Monday high on NQ while ES still below that level. Let me open another high time frame chart so I can see what is going on gold TL. Well, okay, I got it. Not in Q. Gold kind of struggling so far. Just pumped to 33.11 and we're fine with this to look for potential reaction down to short it. Let me connect my funded futures. My funded futures. Oh. Tomorrow is Thursday. Come on, time flies. Tomorrow is Thursday. I feel like it's only was Sunday, but today is Wednesday already. Like, how? How? So even if it broke above our fair value gap, it's still valid. If it's not going to be, we don't know if it's going to be inversion or not, right? So let's see. It can be just huge week. NVIDIA took all them high, okay. I kind of have no interest right now trading NQ and gold. Just once again, straight move up since 9 a.m. So we'll try to stay with just for now. CL. Once again, if you have issue with my funded futures trading gold, or CL, or silver, or I believe HO, RB, so you need on my funded futures, you need to do these steps, guys. Oh yeah, of course. I mean, nothing is going on there yet. Oh, by the way, let me remove my birthday hat. We don't need this anymore. Yeah, of course. I mean, it just hides my other charts. That's why I'm like... But it's okay if you want it. It just hides my other charts. You cannot see what is going on a ES. But yeah, it's still there. If you don't mind, I'm going to just bin this back because I would like to show you a chart on ES as well, because I guess that's important than simply showing my Ninja Trader. So it's not going to be FOMC, it's FOMC minute, it's a bit different. With birthday cake. I ate this yesterday. I wouldn't say like CL has like huge spread. I wouldn't say that. You took long in London. I was sleeping in London, so... So once again, just straight move up right at market open with 0 retracements. Okay, that's not the best idea. I mean, let's see. So far, hard to engage. Hard to engage in this. Gold just dropping without taking equal highs. I mean, that's fine, just annoying. We just got 5-minute OB. We got flat candle over here. We got potential for hourly sweep. So we got 5-minute order block. What about 3-minute chart? Yes, same one. Huge displacement, so we got flat candle over, we got some liquidity levels over here, but kind of strange. I expect to get short from equal highs. And okay, I'm not going to take the short. They expect to get short from equal highs, reaction from equal highs. We'll stay away. No complaints, you know. Not what I expect to get. We'll call this like probably fake. At least for me, it looks like fake short. I can be wrong about this. It can just drop, but really expect to get exactly same rejection like we got over here with this displacement from this level. Is it only me that looking at this setup? I mean, this buy side liquidity offered, I hope it's just offered retracement. I don't want to blindly take this one. Just equal highs feels like stronger, you know. No, I will stay away from this trade. I did expect to get this structure. I mentioned it before that I will look for short from this level, not from here. That's fine. I will stay away. Gold not going to hurt me this time. Why you cannot trade gold? Here's your steps. If you just joined and trying to trade gold or CL and you cannot trade this with my funded futures, please do these steps. That's all you need to do. Take screenshot of this, so I'm going to just switch on the yes and Q right now if you don't mind. So far, yes and Q straight move up. I hope gold just offered rejection, like retracement. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It happened last week. What happened last week? Okay, I like absolutely nothing so far. I'm happy with my trades on CL and that's it. So I took that one for 2R. So no complaints. That was trade of the day just for now. From what I see, it was trade of the day. And I wasn't draw down. Oh, I don't have wins at all. Like, no. My win rate around 60%. On NQ, even less. On NQ, I'm not doing well on NQ. I'm not going to lie. When it stops, I know. That's why I'm not doing well on NQ. Because it's just pumping and I'm looking for reversal every single time. So, classic. I just stopped doing this. Oh, you entered short already from what level? I mean, don't blindly enter short because you want to short something. Don't do this. Personally, I would like to look for short from 33.11, somewhere there. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. I still keep pumping. I guess yes, trying to aim for Monday high so far. I'm just so bad to enter continuation, you know. This gray area is my target area. I mentioned that before as well. I want to look for previous short from previous day high as well and hourly for a ball gap on ES. It never ever offered 5 minute smart money reversal there. I was looking for M2 model for short. Never happened. Love it. Beautiful. So no step for continuation. Oh, this means I'm not blind. Good news. I am not blind. One minute chart for data H. Okay. Because feels like we started buying since 9 a.m. It was just straight move up with zero retracements, as you can see. Yeah, like pump, a bit of consolidations, and simply like pump. At 180, we have 2 standard deviation of hourly manipulation leg. So maybe it will want to go there. Gold and CL amazing to trade. Yes. Potential long on CL. Do we have structure for this? Not yet. No interest in long yet. Just for me. I will stay away. We just took for our order block and we swapped liquidity 11 for our chart. But I'm keeping my eyes on 5-minute chart. We have absolutely nothing that I like to trade along. No trades for me on CL anymore. Just for now, at least. Just for now, nothing for me to long on CL. It's still kind of more bearish than bullish. I can be wrong, but that's what I see. I wish I could frame right now short on NQ using empty model, but I cannot do this because we are not going to get good order block on 2-minute chart. Yes, you can ask. Maybe you asked before, but I didn't see this, so my bad. Sorry about that. Gold, in my opinion, should pump to 33.11, 33.12. So there, I said before. That's why I'm not going to short just yet. Even if it's going to sell, it's not what levels I would like to look for short, just for now. Not that level yet. I already said that like many times. When I was creating my profile, I was so confident I don't need to put my real name. You ask me why. I don't know why. I was so confident that like it's not going to be a good idea if I'm going to put my real name there. Why? Why? I don't know why. I don't know why, so no explanation, you know? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Funny, right? But it is what it is. Hello, everyone. Hello, who just joined. Hello. Monday high taken. Just straight move up. I love it. It's just permanently bullish, you know? Just pump without retracements. I love it. Like, minor pullbacks and still pumping, so yeah, waiting for 10. I'm waiting for silver bullet. Hope to get something there. Let's see if gold may pump. Can you please pump? I told you like I'm not going to short this. Interesting reaction from a 30-minute fair value gap. Just need to pump 3 more points. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, someone said it's not equal highs, but that's like actually type of original consolidation. Basically type of original consolidation. Also, we have equal highs over here, so probably we'll accept situation if it wants to pump slightly higher. Like we got, hard to say, consolidation, small expansion as a consolidation. So yeah, but basically 2 key levels slightly higher. Bouncing from daily open, yeah. You want to tell me like gold loves to respect daily open? East or West, ICT is the best. Yeah, exactly. So keep trusting our analysis. Keep trusting our analysis. Well, slightly higher. What about ES? It's trying to reject from Monday high. Guys, what level do we have right now on NQ? What level are we trying to respect? I saw someone said weekly open. Previous weekly open. Oh, it's not weekly open actually. Open over here. Previous weekly open. Weekly open over here. It's just nothing over here. Okay. What level do we respect so far? We have some all-time high over here. That's pretty much it. Okay, all-time high. Probably it's going there. We're like 20 points away, 18 points away so far. Okay. New all-time high again? I don't trade first and fair value gap. I sometimes highlight this because people ask me, but I personally don't trade this, so I don't need this. I can remove previous day high because lines up with weekly open, so 2 key levels. At this point, no reason not to take all-time high, right? I expect to get choppy IM session, but in reality, we just got straight move up. Let's do giveaway. Yeah, soon. Let's start soon. Let me start with form first. Scored 106 on gold. Good job. Good job. That's actually a great result. We can short what? Not yet. Not yet. I mean, we just took my first key level. Another over here, let's see. Just need to get the structure for short, but I'm looking for the action down from this, from here or from here. Just let's see where we can get set up first. Yes, somewhere from here. But yes, you're right. Gold is pumping, ES is pumping, NQ is pumping. When this happens, this means most of the time NQ and gold not gold, NQ and ES trying to manipulate, which is not a good sign. The question is how far we can go with this manipulation, right? But normally when gold is dropping and QNES going higher. Just be careful, guys. Be careful. Don't make stupid mistakes. Do you create your website? I mean, yes, I did this by myself, but not the best one, I know. What if it's gold? What do you mean? So right now, it's going to be strange if it's going to fail to take all-time high. Oh, you love design? Okay, thank you. It's not the best in my opinion, but so if, let's say, gold is pumping and Q is pumping and ES is pumping, normally, it doesn't mean like always, but normally ES and Q inside manipulation at this point. But since we're so close to all-time high, I believe manipulation not done yet. We need to pump, continue pumping to all-time high at least. Even right now, I'm trying to compare gold and ES. Seems like they move in the same direction. Even the retracement happens at the same time. What? Please, don't act like this. When last time we got perfect IM session, like textbook IM session? When it was? Like, setup that was extremely obvious and it was stupid not to take this. I don't remember this kind of days. Crazy. Simply crazy. It's not even funny, I'm serious right now. Pre-market was the way to trade, PM session as well. Even Asia, but IM session like became Asia kill zone. Once again, you just have to listen this. I need to tell this to someone. But that's crazy. That's actually crazy. I would say even winter wasn't bad, but spring and beginning of summer was, for IM session, was kind of hard. Not kind of hard, it was hard. I know why. Pre-market was okay. Even PM session was okay. But IM session was... Yeah, we just took this all-time high. Once again, keep pumping with no retracement at all. CL started consolidating. I remember that like lots of people was trying to hate me that I don't trade IM session, but let's be honest. Did you see lots of textbook setups? I mean, not even textbook setups that are worth to try? Because I normally trade pre-market and I don't want to give my money back for IM session because I already did it before. May and April was brilliant for me. Good lessons. Good job with your London long. Oh, that's brilliant actually. You got perfect trade. So far we have minor SMT. Let's see what will happen next. I'm not saying like IM session wasn't tradable, but I found pre-market worked better for me. So I trade pre-market around like 7:20, 8:20, like more normally I'm done before 9 a.m. Like I would say between 7:20 and 8:20 most of the time. you're not alone with this. You feel like you know nothing. Trust me, you're not alone in this situation. Not alone. Empty model time shifted for empty model since June to 9 a.m. For 9 a.m. it worked nice. Will you take Robin's Cup? I'm not going to pass him. No, I'm not going to. I mean, maybe I'm going to participate in the future, but probably it's not going to be like world record. I just don't see the point to trade Robin's Cup with their commissions. What's the point? It's better to trade personal account. At least you want to prove someone something, but I don't want to do this. I mean, what's the point of Robin's Cup? I'm not going to create courses to sell them to show how good I am. Like, are you a college student? I was, like, long time ago. So far we have SMT between ES and NQ. Let's see if we confirm this SMT by order block. I'm serious about Robin's Cup. I don't see the point to trade them with huge commissions. What did you study in college? Computer science. It was university, but not a big deal. Are you struggling? SMT, potential order block. Well, guys, let's see. All-time high taken, we have SMT between ES and NQ. Let's see if we create 2-minute order block to get potential M2 model, for 2R. So wick not big over here, so I can include entire candle for order block. If this wick was huge, for example, like we got over here, I would use only body. I don't see sell just yet. Let's see if we get the closure for 2R. If not, then, I mean, like, I don't know what it wants to do then. Let's see how it goes. I hope we are going to have good reversal, but let's be honest, just for now, zero structure for sure just yet. We have standard deviation projection based on our 1 hour manipulation leg, and target area is over here. So basically the range between 2 and 2.5. Yes, struggling. Yeah, central bounding range. Yeah, exactly. Some people use projections. It's based on, if not mistaken, central bank dealer range is between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Am I right about this? I don't really remember, but I believe it's something like this. So people use this range and use projections of this range. Yes, closure, exactly, closure. So yeah, basically, yes, offered order block. Not, by the way, perfect example of this order block as well. I want to confirm this short on yes by this closure on NQ. So at this point, we can get the structure on both. Oops. To downside. I mean, I don't want to overcomplicate with millions different projections or something like this. So I believe the short is going to be valid on yes by closure below this level on NQ. So it's going to be in sync. We can trap at this point. What about YM? What we have on YM? Classic. Why even ask this? If you're looking for short on yes and NQ, this means YM already did that. Come on, Dasha. Are you serious? Be realistic, Dasha, be realistic. So no closure, no trades. Okay, let's start giveaway. It doesn't mean like we are going to finish soon, no. Let's start giveaway. Okay. Let me connect my WhatsApp on my computer. Short and all-time high is crazy. Yeah, we're looking for the tracement. It's not really short. Okay, guys, quick announcement. I'm going to do TradeZella giveaway. I'm going to do 3 premium plan. It's going to be for 1 year, 12 months of free access premium plan, so you can backtest, you can forward test, you can track your performance, and so on and so on. So 3 winners today. I'm going to send the form right now. Just fill this form. Also, I'm going to pin this message, so in case people just joined, they can participate as well. So here's the form. I pinned this message just for now, for the next 20 minutes. So fill this form, guys, and I wish you good luck. If you're going to build like you're not going to be a winner, so you're not going to be a winner. It's mindset. You don't need to put any numbers. You can type whatever you want. So the question is, if it wants to offer the closure right now, or it will pump and will offer new closure. I mean, new pump, new closure. I'm going to shift this over here. Since see, we got pretty much big wick, small body, I'm going to wait for the closure below body. If we are going to get new high, Same idea. If you just joined, guys, I pinned the message with Google form. Just fill this form to participate in giveaway. Anything, whatever you want. You can leave this if you want. Don't type anything. Just whatever you want. What made you choose trading over computer science? Freedom. Come on, freedom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Once again, I will be fine with new high. I will just adjust entry at this point. Since we never got the closure, let's see. Let's quickly check what kind of PDRs we have. We have flat candle, which actually strong confirmation that we need to go at least to 0.54, which is 40 points lower. And we have 5-minute fair value gap right below this. Oh, we got another flat candle. Never mind. We need... If I'm not going to look for... I'm not going to look for 2R, but probably something like this. Oh, it's going to be probably 2R. I hope so. Yeah, I personally bought TradeZella. No one gave me this for free. I bought this when it was Black Friday for 12 months. It cost me this deal around 270. So happy with this. Use this every day. Which line? To be straight. You mean this line? Just hold shift on your keyboard. So I'm going to include which instrument you can use for SMT with gold. So I will put this tomorrow. A new video, part 2 of how to trade gold in CL. Yeah, actually silver, but I found something else. So I will show you real quick what kind of instruments you can use. Silver and actually some pair from Forex. Okay, we just took 2 equal highs on gold with 0 structure to short this. Let's see. So once again, I'm expect to get reaction from these 2 levels. I'm not going to, at least I hope it's not going to be just straight move up. I need to see this rejection down back to the range. Yeah, hold shift. It will offer you straight line. How much lot size? What do you mean by this? I don't understand your question. Let's see if we get the closure. So at this point, it failed to create new high. I'm going to bring this back. I mean, I don't really understand questions. So I look for trades at after 7 a.m. around 7:20 a.m. when I'm trying to waking up my kids. So around that time. Struggling. Guys, if you just joined to my stream, you see pinned message in the chat. If you want to participate in giveaway, I'm doing TradeZella 3 premium plan for 1 year. Just click the form. Your kids. Yeah, I have 2. So if you want to participate in giveaway, just click the pinned message in the chat. Fill the form and you're done. You're done. You want market? Yeah. No, I'm child free. Just realize it's too late. My son is going to be 6 in 1 month. Another one is 4. Yeah, I live close to the beach. Like 10 minutes on the car, maybe 15 minutes. Depends on traffic. 3 is a deal. No, thank you. I was at the beach this morning, around like 7:40 a.m. Sell options, that's a great idea. I really think about trading options recently because I need to pick exact level. I just need to sell or buy. You know, like it's easy for me. Sometimes I feel like it's easy for me to trade options. Why? Because once again, I don't need to pick exact level. So I don't need to worry about this. So no closure in Q yet, so. Yeah, on SPX especially, yeah. My son is going to be 6 years old in August 17. I don't have any videos on options. I'm not that good on options, so need to work on this. No shorts just yet, waiting for the closure. Still nothing, we just got sweep. East Coast, it's Florida, so it's Florida, baby. Struggling. Below blue line, it will offer OB for us. No, waiting for the closure, so nothing yet. At this point, I'm going to count entire candle, yeah. I was living in Miami for 3 years, then I moved to North Carolina, then I moved back to Florida, so I don't live in Miami anymore. Space Coast so far. If you want to ask me about short on gold, not yet. Hello, hello. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, just click the pinned message in the chat, Google form, just fill this form and that's it. Probably in queue. Have you been in Rwanda every weekend? My kids love to go there. I don't really, but yeah, I'm in Rwanda every Sunday. Just in case you want to meet me sometime one day, so I can do this, but I'm going to be with my kids, so you're going to enjoy company with my kids. If you want to meet someday. Do you offer mentorship now? Nothing. You have $2 they're Russian speaking? I didn't know about that. Where do you live? I will show you if I'm going to be in trade, so I don't need to I need to do anything with this. My kids speak Russian as well. So yeah. I force them to do this, so oh, we just got minor closure. Look at this. Hate minor closure. This minor closure always, I always feel tricky with this minor closure. I know. Not from here, by the way, no. One T closure. How should I react on this closure? Let me check MNQ real quick. Hate it so much. 1 second. Same 1 tick. Well. I'm not going to lie. The short is only idea that I see so far. I don't see any other trades yet. Reason how it's struggling makes me feel like, I don't know, like I'm not in yet. So I don't know. Why I'm not in? I just don't like this closure. Let's see if we have closure over here. This extremely minor closure. I don't know, like, no. Just 1 C closure. I don't know, like. Let's wait a bit more. It's kind of not what I expect to get. Okay, let's see. So, kind of tricky right now. I'm not going to lie, guys. It's kind of tricky to me. You know, the problem is on 3 minutes, we also got minor closure if I want to consider this as OB. That's always, I hate it so much. 5-minute chart, don't even look at this. I would say 5-minute chart is still bullish. That's the issue. That's the problem. I know. This closure makes me feel like so triggered right now. Look at yes. Oh God, why me? Why me? Well, why you couldn't close slightly lower? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Mm. It's okay, Dasha. It's okay. Well, that's fine. Happens sometimes. Happens sometimes. Well, it's okay. Just need to trust more. I had bad experience with this kind of closure before. I just saw this as regular week, you know. Of course, of course, of course. I'm going to take screenshot of this. I would say 3-minute look exactly as 2-minute chart, and because we got exactly same closure, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You took this based on volume. Well, happens. It's okay. Okay. Not okay. Wait a minute. Okay, right now it's a bit more painful. I hate it. I hate it. Are you serious? It wasn't risky. It was just, for me, it was stupid closure. But once again, that's me. It was a chance, just ugly chance. I needed to engage on a yes at this point. Are you serious? Are you serious? Anyway. No, you got 4 hours. That's actually brilliant. That's why. Anyway, I just need to be less picky, you know. It was closure, just closure. Dasha, come on, it was the closure. It's okay. Go choppy right now. Anyway, we got almost a test of previous day high level, the RCH test, you know, previous day high level. 1 tick shy, I would say. Screaming the pillow. It's okay, so 2 more new days, so we got minor sweep. Price trade into this breakaway gap on 2-minute chart. You serious? I would say pretty much the same. It's okay. I would say just, you know, just need to be less picky. It's trading, come on. It's all about probabilities. I'm just trying to pick some... It's okay, just my fault. Totally my fault about this. The worst part of this trading for me is when you plan the trade, you're confident with the trade, and you simply like trying to, okay, this closure doesn't look like I want to do this. Who cares? You had a plan, just take this. It was M2 models that was looking for, so that's fine, guys. Part of the game. You know, I'm not going to lie, going to just say what I feel. After like lots of ugly sessions, you just for me, it's hard to believe like right now, it's going to be good setup. It's okay, so that happens. Yeah. Overall happy with my trading today on CL. Overall happy with my analysis, like overall. Yeah, it's okay. Just need to accept this fact. Overall, I'm bearish, guys. I said that many times. I would like to see New York midnight open. It was our original plan from the very beginning. You can rewatch after stream, so I said about this short, I don't know, like for 20 minutes. For 30 minutes, I was talking about the short. So I'm watching for New York midnight open. Some volatility so far. I believe Trump's speaking right now. What's going on? What is going on? We got a test of previous day high on both yes and Q. So I'm keeping my eyes on New York midnight open right now. SPI just took 25% of RTH gap. Let's see if it wants to approach to 50% to fill 50% of this gap. And this is an injection from weekly open from new week opening gap so far. We got flat candle on 2-minute chart of both yes and Q. Oh, you got nice short. Nice money today. I made only $460. I'm not sure if it's like only or not, but it is what it is. I traded CL this morning for this trade. Could be 2 winners today. But just one. The question is, when is New York midnight open? You just answered your question. You just answered your question. I wouldn't say like in trading it's good to be conservative, Not really. So if you're going to get evaluation with TradingView connection, evaluation, once again, market data will be provided for free. So you don't need to buy any data for this. You just need to sign an agreement with TradeAway, depends on prop firm. I believe for every prop firm, agreement with TradeAway, and when you go to TradeAway website or you have app, add-ons, just add TradingView connection, and that's it. Go to TradingView, click TradeAway, enter your login, your password, and you're done. That's it. Moon Gamer? What is this? I don't trade 1 minute chart at all. 2 minute chart, 3 minute chart is 2 minute chart and 3 minute chart is enough. Normally, run like $400 per trade, and normally aim for 2R. So new video about trading coming, I hope tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, then on Friday. So it's going to be second part of gold and CL model. So once again, if you just joined, 2 announcement. If you want to participate in giveaway, just fill the form. Second announcement, in second part of gold and CL model video, I will cover lots of questions such as how much $1 move on CL and NQ, right? And depends on if it's gold or CL. How to use SMT, what PDRs I use, what time frames I use, what else? How to spot order blocks. Everything going to be in one video, top-down analysis. So I just collected all questions in one video because second part was needed. Midnight open means midnight. 12 a.m. It was M2 model, but also it was VIP model. So I would say it depends what you trade. M2 model for me, but once again, depends on what you trade. Prefer to trade, it's up to you. So we got minor sweep over here. I'm looking for New York midnight open. The question is if it wants to retrace first. I kind of like New York midnight open. Once again, M2 model, all models available on YouTube. Last 3 videos, just watch them. You said 925 for standard deviation. Lines up is the sell side. I agree with you. 925 for market is a scam. Yeah. We just got fresh propulsion block over here. How we can dispatch that? ATH means all-time high. Just easy to type this. Then just type all-time high. Takes so much time. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions, guys? So idea from very beginning was short from 1 hour fair value gap. I was so confident we are going to get 5-minute smart money reversal from hourly fair value gap on ES to New York midnight open. They said like, not today. Let's pump to Monday high first. I was like, okay, you want this? Okay, let's go for this. So guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, so go to pin message in the chat to participate in giveaway. Gold struggling, no interest in this. I was bullish to equal highs. We took equal highs and started consolidating there. Do you trade PM session? I will start streaming PM session from next week. Great short, yeah. I agree with you. It was nice short. No setup was short on gold just yet. Just yet. Just yet, nothing. But we can wait. I mean, I don't try to trade PM session, on gold. It's kind of slow because I remember I was sitting in trade to get 6 points for 3 hours. I mean, I wasn't watching chart, but I was on this trade for 3 hours to just get 6 points. So it's slow. It's not for me. If you want to trade gold, trade pre-market or at least before 10 a.m. Feels like it's forming second stage of redistribution right now. What can happen? We just consolidating to drop to take sell side or pumps and drop to take sell side. So once again, today's FOMC minutes. It's not going to be like extremely volatile because it's not like regular FOMC, right? It's going to be just FOMC minutes. So I really would like to try start trading options. I really need to study this. I even have a book. Give me 1 second. Where's this book? I bought this long time ago. Lots of dust on it. So I bought this book long time ago. It calls... Where is my camera? It's heavy. Look how many pages. I read around like 300 pages here. I understood nothing. Let's be honest. Here is 1,000 pages. Come on. Really, 1,048 pages. How can I bring my camera? Not sure. Options as strategic investment. Strategic investment. $1,000 pages. Once again, I read around like 300 long time ago, maybe like 2 years ago. Understood absolutely nothing. It was hard for some reason. I don't think it's really hard in real life, but 1,000 pages. Imagine to read this. I know the guy who read this big book. I mean, like, So once again, new video will cover every single question, so it will clear your confusion about this. But I bought, I remember it wasn't available on Amazon. I found this book on Marketplace, in Facebook Marketplace. I was trying for 40 minutes to get this book. Then guy, I don't know where this guy was when I was trying to get it. First attempt failed because we scheduled meetings to get this book. I don't remember, like $15 maybe. Once again, it was like 2-3 years ago. And He forgot about this. I was driving 40 minutes. He forgot about our meeting and he wasn't at home. I was waiting for him for 1 hour and I went back home. Another 40 minutes road. Then we scheduled another meeting and from second attempt I got this. Crazy. But it's heavy, like you don't need any gym for this. Just use this book. Yeah, I bought this book for $15 cash, like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't remember when it was. On Amazon, it wasn't available on Amazon. It was, I remember it was around like $60 or something like this. But it wasn't available on Amazon. I found this for $15. I'm like, all in, let's go. Only 40 minutes road. Why not? I normally don't recommend to buy a book as a beginner because sometimes it's going to be more confusing for you. So I highly recommend to start with core content, ICT core content, not 2022 mentorship, something like this. No, just start from core content. Months 1 to months 11. Yeah, I will announce winners in 10 minutes for TradeZella. If you still can participate if you want. What about my phone? I need to charge this because I didn't charge it this night. 20% battery. So kind of struggling. We have sell side over here to finish market maker sell model, but I believe we need to go to New York midnight open where it's going to be end of market maker buy model. And also let's speak about original consolidation. Consolidation started over here. On top of this consolidation over here. So basically I will highlight 50%. Remember 50% of original consolidation usually trying to give us reaction. So if you're still holding this short, consider 933 as your partial or your final target. It's up to you. Not financial advice, just saying. So 933 is going to be a partial level. I was bearish from the very beginning. Oh, I'm not going to watch this. Gold's struggling so far. Low resistance, sharp move down, leg down 50%. Exactly what I was explaining yesterday. Okay, focus on price action right now. Once again, I'm keeping my eyes right now on 50% of original consolidation. Right below 50%, we have sell side, which can be end of market maker sell model. But I would like to keep my eyes once again on 50% of this consolidation. What about SPX? SPX almost touched 50% of RTH gap, so we still have from slightly lower. At this point, yes, it should drop to 923 at least. I remember when I was trying to hold calls on PLTR, and it was like long term. And I closed bar at break even. It was, I don't remember, it was around like 790 or something like this when it cost around like 790. I closed bar at break even, maybe slightly red. And right now it's 130 or something like this. Imagine be that such stupid. Love it. Love it. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I would like to see on NQ. Sorry, guys, didn't read the chat before. I would like to see 933 on NQ, which is 50% of original consolidation. This trade, I never tried this copy, I'm not going to lie. Never tried this before. Some people recommend me, but I got lifetime subscription with Replikanto, so no point. Lifetime, like, no point to switch. I have zero issue. So yes, I do like TradeZella over FX replay because I have different options. And yes, I like backtesting more because I have dashboard. I can go back to my trades. I can analyze it. I can leave notes. 10 times better. 11 times better. New York Midnight, preferably, Ross. Yeah, I would like to see New York Midnight Open, especially on ES, if you still hold this. So on my Mac, I have option to turn on Windows. So at this point, I have Replikanto, but iOS itself doesn't have this option to trade Ninja Trader, if I'm not mistaken, especially with Replikanto. So I would say my answer is going to be no. If someone trades this, just let us know, but I believe answer is going to be no. Trade away. I got last MacBook available on market right now. So I do have option to trade Windows there. Windows app, and I do use this. So I try to trade Ninja Trader. It worked well. I got latest version, like maybe 2 months ago, maybe 1 month ago. When I got this, like, I guess 2 months ago. I have Windows app, so yeah. On Ninja itself, you can, on Apple, you cannot trade Ninja. You need to get Windows there. I got Windows app, so you just can. I'm not sure which version of MacBook you should have to be able to trade this, honestly. I don't know. Don't ask me, so I cannot help you with this information. I didn't try trade away groups, by the way. I was trying to set them up, but I don't need this at all. Cannot review this prop firm. Didn't try. So 933 is going to be key level, must be taken. So far low is 34.50. No, it's not enough. Must take 33. Yeah, Windows app. Yeah, exactly. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, just fill the form, see pinned message in the chat, fill this form. I use Ninja because of copier, honestly. That only the reason why I use them. So here we are. So we took 50% of additional consolidation. That's it. So next plan, just sell side in New York midnight open, but I'm not going to even try this. I mean, like, I'm a conservative trader in terms of targets. Okay, 1 more minute to enter giveaway and I will announce winners. Guys, 1 more minute to enter giveaway. Even if it's just the action, but it's not coincident how we expecting 50%. I keep saying this, I guess, every single day, but it's not coincident. Okay, guys, let's do giveaway then. We got so many entries. Just quick reminder, I'm going to do 3 premium plans from TradeZella for 1 year. So it's going to be free for 1 year. 3 winners. That's what I want to say. Let's do. So we got from 2 to 439 entries. First winner is 162. I'm going to post winners in the chat. First winner. $94 second winner. $181. Market is a scam. So we got 3 winners, guys. So tomorrow I will do giveaway of Tradify. It's going to be 1 straight to funded and 5 evaluations. So I believe this evaluation is not going to have activation fee. I believe so. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check this out. The plan for tomorrow. Yes, for tomorrow I will do 5 just evaluation and 1 straight to funded Tradify. So this evaluation not going to have activation fee. Yes. So tomorrow at 9 a.m., join me at 9 a.m. and I will do giveaway tomorrow. See this, guys? See? Know this. If you're aiming for any liquidity levels as market maker buy or sell model, aim for 50% of original consolidation. See this coincident? See? Third day in a row, how we're expecting 50% of original consolidation. Crazy, 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 crazy. High time frame level. This is what I'm going to explain in my new video. How to trade high time frame level. What I want to say, guys, once again, tomorrow Tradify, tomorrow new video. I believe it's going to be new video about gold and CL model, how you can spot this kind of trades in real time. Oh, by the way, even over here we got set up. See this? Anyway, like how you can spot this kind of setups. So I answer every single question, how you need to spot order block, what kind of PD ray you need to use, what time frame you need to use for your PD ray, what else? SMT, which instrument for SMT, every single stupid question is going to be answered. So second part, I hope it's going to be tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, then on Friday. So I hope it's once again. If after watching this video you're not going to make payout, block me everywhere. Yes, I'm that confident. Block me everywhere if you're not going to make any payouts with this model. It is what it is. It's going to be completely free. It's going to be a stupid simple model. Some people, like trades without bias. I don't recommend to do this because win rate is less, but it's going to be extremely easy model. I said, I'm going to say this slowly right now. I said, if after watching second part of a gold and CL model, you are not going to be profitable, block me everywhere. I'm scammer at this point. To like stupid simple models. Yes, it's going to be stupid simple model. Never. I'm kidding, but it's up to you. Why I want to post this tomorrow? To be able to give you homework based on it. So I didn't set homework yesterday because I was thinking like, if I'm going to post new video, so I can do homework based on new video for weekend studies, right? Which is sounds smart. So that's why I want to record this tomorrow. We'll finish lesson today to record tomorrow and to post homework on Friday for Saturday and Sunday to complete this. So I will try to create quiz for this, but I'm not going to promise for this time. But homework with text lesson and video lesson is going to be out on Friday for, I believe, on Friday night. Friday night to do this on Saturday, on Sunday, it's up to you. Highly recommend to do this on Saturday, on Sunday, so you can pause this on Monday, so I can check this at least. Yes, on. Exactly, on. It should be on. So no one does this. No one cares about people like I do. So no one posts free assignments for people, and no one especially trying to help people for free. I really doing this for free. I don't ask anything back. Just follow me on YouTube. That's all I ask. Going to be with you guys at least next couple of years. If gold is going to scam me, so it's going to be last day of my trading. So gold's struggling right now. It's already too late to trade gold. Did you have fun? Yeah, I had some fun on my birthday. Only a couple of years. I'm kidding. I just don't know how much time left for this YouTube, or like maybe YouTube is not going to exist in 2 years. Who knows? Maybe this world is not going to exist in 2 years. I don't like to call it CRT because it's turtle soup. It's just sweep. It's potential sweep. Why people create fancy names, but it's just regular sweep? Sweep. Sweep. Liquidity sweep. That's it. SS screenshot. Sweep or sleep. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. But I was talking about sleep. Sweep, not sleep. So, yeah, sweep. I think it's just sweep. Sweep? Yeah, sweep. Just regular sweep. Not CRT. Not what kind of models we have. Like CRT, lots of people talks about a CRT. It's not. It's turtle soup. Sweep. It's just sweep. Yeah. Yeah, you got it, right? So what else do I want to say? I guess nothing for today. I said everything that I wanted. That is exactly. Here's the winners for giveaway, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes. Get 50% off for my funded futures because it's going to last soon. So get 50% off with my funded futures. Get 40% off with Take Profit Trader because 40% off is flash sale. Best deal ever. So my funded futures and Take Profit Trader, best prop firm ever. So they're running incredible sales. So don't forget to get them. Can I ask? Of course, of course. I was about to go, but you can ask. Look at 3-minute chart on gold. We don't have order block. I am not Dasha, but that's fine. I cannot adopt you because I have 2 kids, so I'm child 3. I already said that. I don't need 3rd kid. Well, Dasha, it's okay. I'm Dasha. It's D, not S, not M, not T. It's D, Dasha. I don't know why so many people call me like not Dasha, but Tasha, Masha, Sasha, but not Dasha. Yeah, you won, yes. I remember you, by the way. But, like, it's okay. I'm from Belarus, but I don't live there for the last 8 years or 9 years. I don't remember, so I'm in US. For classes, yeah. Any other questions? My English is. I know. People didn't allow me to change this my accent, so unfortunately, you need to listen to this accent. People told me like, no way you're going to work on your accent. I said, okay. You go live every day, yes. Gold pretty much choppy for lunch and PM session. So best time to trade gold is pre-market or until 10 a.m. Yeah, lots of names ends at A. Yeah, that's right. Can I get your I don't have indicators. My indicators are free. If you go to description of this YouTube stream, just scroll all the way down. It says like I have section indicators. All indicators I use is available there. All links there. Oh, spider. Win rate over around like 60%. So I wouldn't say that huge. Around like 60% for the entire year. A bit more, but 60. Yeah, gold already played out. It's already made my move. Unfortunately, it took so much time to do this. Any plans to trade PM? No. Especially if it's going to be from 10 minutes problem, just stay away. You want to see 925 to be taken. Oh, yeah. And you will close the chart. Slightly lower on NQ. I agree with you. Slightly lower. You want to see 100 points lower. We have New York midnight open lower, so it's possible. It's possible. Just the question is how much time it will take. We need to, I wouldn't say like 100 points. I don't mind like 70, 80 points lower to New York midnight open. I'm just not sure how much time it will take to do this. So from next week, I will start streaming PM session as well. So let's see. So I already have first part of gold model on my YouTube, but I'm going to post second part tomorrow, so you can watch the first one and wait for tomorrow for another one. That's it. New York PM strategy. Basically, most of them it's M2 model for 1 p.m. Or 2 p.m. Almost never 2 p.m. 1 p.m. 2-minute order block. That's pretty much it, and it's also not in Q only. Depends, because sometimes PM is choppy, so I just normally see what is going on lunch, and if lunch is expansion, I don't trade PM session at all. If lunch is consolidation, I will try to trade PM session. Yeah, you mean, yeah, sweep. Yeah, sweep. On London session, not really, because I sleep during London kill zone. So I still keep my eyes on New York midnight open. Just the question is, oh, we got 925. Oh yeah, we got it finally. I'm happy for you. We finally got this. I just cannot stream London. It's impossible to do. I mean, it's possible, but I need to sleep as well. So, okay, guys, it's time to be done for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will finish new video today to post some more about golden seal model. So your task just watch this video, do homework that I'm going to post on Friday. Homework is going to be not that hard, but still you need to work on this. What else? Don't forget, take profit trader running 40% off. My funded futures running 50% off. So that's flash sales. If you're looking for some prop firms, consider them. That's it. Okay, guys, I wish you good luck, good trading. Don't make stupid mistakes. And I will see you tomorrow, guys. This model, you can try to apply this for NQ as well. So, good trading, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.